Hey, hi, hello. This is my program for the functions assignment. Um, I did two functions. One was a printout, which is asking for the answer of a question with an if-else statement right here. And then the second one was just subtracting two inputted numbers together, which is right down here. And I'll explain that in a second. And so name of the space is just functions, and then the class program, static void, this is the main part of it. And then so the first part of the code is going to run, it's going to create a string for answer, and then it's going to ask you what produce item do people think is a vegetable but is actually a fruit. And then so we're going to input answer for a read line, and then it's going to go to print out answer. So it's going to go to the printout function, and instead of just string x, it's going to use whatever is stored in answer, and then it's going to check if it's equal to tomato. It's going to say that's correct, and if it's anything else, it's going to say no. And then got the second one is going to have two numbers, num1 and num2, and then the first thing it's going to do is ask you to put in both numbers, and then ask for the player input, whatever, to put that data into num1 and num2, and then use the int parse to make sure that everything is an integer. And then it's going to take those and then go to this console write line, and it's num1 minus num2 equals the function sub num1 and num2, which is going to input, instead of x and y, it's going to use whatever is stored in those datas, and it's going to return x minus y. So I'm going to run it once just to show what happens when you do the first question. So tomato, that is correct. And then I'm going to restart it just so you see what happens when you put in something wrong. No. And then so for our first number, I'm going to just do like 78 and then 3. And it's going to print out 78 minus 3 equals 75. And there we go.